Page 14, On the Treadmill. We get some broken stuff going on. Eighth notes all over everywhere. Let's look it over. It's 2 lines long, treble, bass, clef, 1 sharp in the key signature, in the key of G major. We got eighth notes going crazy. So let's take it one hand at a time here, starting with the right hand here. The hand position is for G major, and that's the white keys here, because you don't get a black key until the F sharp. This A sharp, when I get to it, I'll move the finger when I need it. The second finger's on A, so I use that. So it's here. Remember the rule for accidentals that applies for the rest of the measures, so that second A is also A sharp. And then come up just, now we come up to this position. And then we get to relax for a bit, and then we have here. You don't want to be up in here, you can do that fingering. I don't know how big your hands are. And then the second line, same thing. Okay. Left hand, well, you got the 1 chord, and the 4 chord, and then you get the eighth notes. Now here we changed it a little bit because the A is here, you could use 4th finger. It's just a little awkward because of these 2 fingers, so we generally use 3rd finger. Doesn't mean one way's right or wrong, it's a little more comfortable here to use 3rd finger. Not that we always do things the comfortable way, don't get that idea, it's just in this case it works better. And here. We put the hands together and we get this. Right there. When I play that last beat, the B, the left hand's resting. You got to make sure you come up. Rest, and you do it again. So you put the hands together carefully at your speed. Get rid of the hesitations, and you get to where, if you can play this one without looking at the keyboard too, where you can feel where these black keys are, these accidentals. You have to look at first, but eventually you want to feel them. As far as the articulation goes, just pretty much connected. See, I would connect all those eighth notes together. So it's like the phrase goes all the way across the line here. And so then I'm going to lift up, we have to, it's a rest. And then second line, I'd connect all that too. The dynamics, MF, mezzo, forte, whatever hand does not have the chord. The chord you keep in the background. Here. Whatever you think sort of loud is. And I'm just transferring weight from finger to finger. I'm not holding still and trying to use the fingers. I'm just transferring weight on here. And the wrist will do whatever it does. I don't worry. This left hand needs to be light here. See here, the left hand had to come up because it had eighth notes. Not saying if you have eighth notes you always come up. I'm saying here, whichever hand gets the eighth notes is the melody, and it comes up. And the quarter notes, sort of, unless it's a chord. Now I'm confusing me. Speed, it's entirely up to you. I don't know how fast you want your treadmill to go, but it needs to be even and accurate. Don't go faster than that. That's my treadmill. If yours goes, that's your speed, that's fine. Just accurate, that's what I'm after here. Let's play it together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. Now because there's eighth notes all over the place, I'm going to go ahead and put the metronome beating eighth notes. So it's 1 and 2. We're going to go that speed, but I'll give us 4 quarter notes to come in. Just come in when I do. 1 and 2 and ready and go and 1. And 2 and rest and